Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can find hidden apps on Android device. So in order to locate or find the hidden apps on your device, then you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. So basically, when you're actually hiding your application on your Android device, then you must be able to find the app on the main page itself. So what you have to do is just swipe up from the bottom, right at the bottom, and 99% of the time you must be able to locate the apps that are present on your device right on this field. However, if you're unable to find it right on this page, then you can go to the settings page, and after that it's going to take you to settings info, and here go to apps and notification. And while you're on apps and notification, just go ahead and tap on see all apps, and here you'll be able to find all of these applications that is on your device. For example, as you can see, in my case, I don't happen to have an application on my home page or on the main page as Android Auto, so but then this application is present or it has been hidden. So in order to locate it, you can just go ahead and tap on the search box, and you might be able to find it right on this page. So that's the easiest way on how you can find hidden apps on your Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.